Good morning students. This video is for class 4 maths and today we will start with exercise 13.7. I have already explained you what is symmetry, what are reflections as well as tessellation. So related to those you have to complete this exercise 13.7. In exercise 13.7 question number 1 they have said write all the capital letters of the English alphabets that are symmetrical about the vertical line. So you all know vertical line. So suppose let me show you question number 1. They said vertical line will be your lines of symmetry. So you have to write all the alphabets in capital letter which will have vertical line as their lines of symmetry. Let me write two alphabets side by side. A, B, C, D. Now lines of symmetry are those lines which divides the given figure into two equal and identical half. Now suppose for this vertical will be the lines of symmetry. Here it will not be vertical, it will be horizontal. C also horizontal. It cannot be because here you have little bit of A, but here, so here there will be no lines of symmetry in case of C. But for D, again it will be horizontal. So you have to write all the alphabets in capital letter for question number 1 whose lines of symmetry will be vertical, not horizontal. So you will write only A. You don't have to show the alphabets which will have horizontal as their lines of symmetry. In question number 2, they have said this. What? You have to write all the alphabet in capital letter whose lines of symmetry will be horizontal, not vertical. It will not be vertical, it will be horizontal. So in all the alphabets that is horizontal, vertical alphabet will be written in question number 1, and question number B, that is question number 2, you have to write all the alphabets which will have horizontal line as their lines of symmetry. Remember there will be many alphabets which will have no lines of symmetry, and there will be one alphabet which will have vertical lines of symmetry also, horizontal also, that is alphabet O. So I hope you have understood this. Let us, for question number 3 they have said write all the capital letters of the English alphabets that have no lines of symmetry. For example, C, it will not have, because if you divide horizontally also, then also it will not look same. If you divide vertically, then also you will not like same. Slanting, then also, like for example C, then you have G, then you have J, it will never have horizontal line, it will never have any lines of symmetry. But for example I, then you have O, they will have horizontal as well as vertical lines of symmetry. So you have to write those alphabets in question number 1 also as well as question number 2. Number D, draw the lines of symmetry for each of the following. So you have to see that for the given picture how many lines of symmetry. You have to draw all the lines of symmetry that are possible. Let me show you one. And as I have told you, if you remember, lines of symmetry will be drawn using scale and dotted line. So let me take this question number 4A, that is the rectangle they have given you. So first line of symmetry will be here in the middle, vertical. Then you have horizontal. Then you have diagonally also. So these are the lines of symmetry. So you cut either vertically, it will look same. You cut horizontally, it will look same. You cut diagonally, both the half will look same. So this is how you have to think and do the lines of symmetry, so that you must imagine that if you cut that into two equal pieces, it has to look same. So I hope you have understood this, children. Let us move to question number 5. In question number 5, they have said complete the following steps by drawing on the other side of the line of symmetry. That means they have done half and you have to do the next half. So let us see. They have said lines of symmetry. Remember, lines of symmetry are those lines which divides the given figure into two equal and identical half. So for question number 5a, I'll do one for you. So whatever you see, that same has to be drawn here. Over. But make sure when you draw this, you draw using scale. So I hope you have understood this, children. Now question number 6, they have said draw the reflection symmetry of the letters. Reflection symmetry you have to draw. So suppose for number 6, A, M, what will be the reflection? This, because this half will be shown as the opposite shape on the other side. Like for example Z, opposite this, it will be your opposite. I hope you have understood. Or if you want to draw only reflection, then you will not draw this, you will not do this, you will not do. In fact, you do this. Reflection when this shown. Just flip that. Like this. That means the mirror image. You will do only the mirror image. You don't have to do reflection symmetry. You do mirror image. So you will do a mirror image for question number 6. That is letter M, A, Z as well as digit 297. And number 7, draw a tesselation using the geometrical shape triangle. You don't have to do this. Just strike off this question. So I hope all of you have understood this, children. Please complete this exercise in the copy with neat and clean handwriting. So children, for today we will keep it till here. In the next class, we will start with the next topic, that is tangram. So for today up to this much. Thank you, class.